The Ministry of Health says it is still carrying out its investigation into the death of 17-year-old Jalisa McGowan, who died during an asthma attack on February 26 after being denied treatment at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Jalisa's mother, Narda McCoy, had said they were turned away due to lack of space. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie this week provided an update on the investigation, which includes a review of the protocols for the treatment of asthma patients.
We are still completing our review of the process. What we would want to emphasize, though, is that the management of asthma does not change. And we have protocols that say how persons should be assessed and what are the responses in terms of mild, moderate, or severe exacerbation of asthma. And we have had discussions with our heads of departments or emergency departments across the island to ensure that the protocols are being adhered to, COVID or no COVID.